Before the beginning of Ramzan, Government of India has taken a very serious step in Jammu and Kashmir. It has ordered its troops to halt the operations against the militants. The step, which was never expected in the present circumstances in Kashmir due to the highest level of militancy. However, the initiative by the Government of India was outrightly rejected by the separatists in Kashmir, terming it as a cruel joke. Today, we are joined by the senior separatist leader, who has been the crucial person in the peace talks between India and Pakistan in past. We would ask him about his opinion about the ongoing hostilities between the two countries. Professor Abdul Ghani Bhat, there have been lots of tensions going on between India and Pakistan in the recent times, and the militancy in Kashmir is at the highest level.
India and Pakistan share history, geography, culture, and if I move a step further and include poetry, taste, lot many things between themselves. But politics, somehow or the other, I don't want to get into detail, led to a partition of India into Bharat and Pakistan, whereunder, unfortunately, the dispute on Kashmir arose. India came to Kashmir with a roar of gun and admixed this roar with the noise of democracy and said, India is on record to have said in unambiguous words that as soon as normalcy returns to Kashmir, the people of Kashmir will be given an opportunity to express themselves, whether they choose to be a part of India or part of Pakistan. This marks the beginning of the dispute on Jammu and Kashmir. Then India went to the United Nations Security Council with a complaint, and the Security Council has also agreed with Indian position that yes, after the normalcy returns, we should ascertain the political will of the people in Jammu and Kashmir. That is there. But India and Pakistan fought wars on Kashmir. India and Pakistan fought battles on Kashmir, on the floor of not only the Security Council, but in other forums as well. India is a nuclear country, so is Pakistan. A. B. What do we need? That is, we shall have to understand the undercurrents of our times, that the world is converting into a global village. And in a global village, tensions will have no relevance, much less any disputes between any two members of the United Nations. And therefore, Indians and Pakistanis will have to see reason and understand the economic compulsions, political requirements of the situation, and then start talking to each other, not only for the pleasure of talking, but for achieving tangible results in terms of the resolution of disputes between themselves.
In the present circumstances, do you think that India and Pakistan will talk over Kashmir, or there is no chance because the BJP has a very tough stand on Kashmir?
India and Pakistan can never fight a war. No military solution of Kashmir problem therefore will happen. It may happen in dreams, but on ground it will never happen. Because if a war happens between India and Pakistan, India being a nuclear country, so is Pakistan a nuclear country, it must spell a total disaster. No country will choose disaster for their people, India or Pakistan. So, no war between India and Pakistan. 2, considering United Nations insensitivity, I think the United Nations also may not help. They may only talk, but practically never ever help us. 2, 3. But we need a breakthrough. Breakthrough in India, breakthrough in Pakistan, breakthrough in Kashmir, breakthrough across the world. There is no alternative to talks.